Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to do a forced restart on your iPhone and how we can do this. Sometimes doing a forced restart may fix a lot of things, so you can do the forced restart like this. So to do a forced restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up, then you have to press the volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here. And make sure that you press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button like an instant. It should not be taking much time. So let me demonstrate you that. Let me press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button over here. And you have to keep pressing the power button, and you have to only release the power button from the finger from the power button when you see the Apple logo. Now the device may go black like this. When you see the Apple logo, you have to remove this particular button this particular finger from the button, and just wait so the phone will be completely loading up. Now you can go over here, give the respective passcode, and you can check, and that is how we can do a forced restart on your iPhone. So that's it. Bye.